Why in hell would
Okay,
you
this
do
is
that?
a wolf spider that we found. I'm freaking out. Oh my god. And it's got a bunch of babies on its back. Oh my god, just ran. They're running all over. Oh my god, that is crazy. Oh my god, that is the craziest. Holy crap. That is insane.
We gotta sort of code of this.
That is insane.
Can you see a ball on there?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see him. There's. Oh, that's an ant. Something else.
Oh my god, that is the craziest thing ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought it was.
Get 'em off.
I thought it was
They're freaking
hairy. And Dylan said no, it's not hairy. It's all its babies.
Take two. Should I get another one, Dylan?
Okay,
Oh, it's
well,
all good. I want to
you could
preserve
see
it.
better.
Why don't you preserve
Now I'm
it?
feeling crap crawl on my back.
Hey, that's a ton of babies. Oh my god.
And there's probably about that same amount still on it.
Oh, I wish you could see it better.
I'm just waiting for one to run up the stick.
Nelson, are you freaked out right now? I am.
Oh
It looks it's freaky and cool.
There's so many. It's ridiculous.
I thought that was one.
I can't believe all that fuzzy stuff was babies. That was crazy.
I thought it was fuzzy. I thought that was.
Good thing we caught these ahead of time. Look at them, they're clumping.
There's like a bug going on me.
Yeah, Darian saw it. He was like, ah! I said, what? And he goes, look at that.
Yeah, I think I told Dylan that.
God, I wish you could
Get
see
up.
it better.
No, if you
Hey,
had
babies
Dylan
ahoy.
cameras, then that'd be awesome.
Come on. Get off. Get off.
Your head is peeling.
I know, right?
Looks like
Look at that. They just clump.
And
Yeah.
look at him. Also, look at the.
that is just crazy. He is
He's
huge.
So
He's
big.
like
Well, it's a
so
mama.
big. But it.
It's pissed now. It's definitely going to get aggressive.
Oh my
Can
god.
they jump high or not?
They don't
Poking
jump.
Quit poking.
But it's fun.
Quit poking it.
So many babies.
Can I
babies.
Can I
No. I
There's
can't
one
believe all
crawling.
those babies.
Go ahead, stick your head in there.
So these are wolf spiders?
Yep.
Really?
Hey, can
I'm
I try
kind
to
of
poke
freaking
it?
out. I'm so glad you found that, Darian, because those would be all around our house.
It's a good thing I
Oh my
yelled.
god.
Good thing I yelled.